Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Monday.com boards using automations and CSV exports. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Monday.com account. Navigate to the board you want to backup. Click on the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the board. Select Export Board. Choose CSV format from the options provided. Save the CSV file to your computer. Next, you'll want to set up automations for continuous backups. Go to the Automations Center by clicking on the Automate button. Search for the automation that best suits your backup needs. Consider using an automation that triggers an export whenever a new item is created or updated. Customize the automation to fit your workflow. Once configured, activate the automation. Now, return to your board and make sure to test the automation. Add a new item to see if it triggers the export. Check your designated storage location for the new CSV files. Regularly monitor the exported files to ensure all data is captured. Adjust your automations as needed to improve efficiency. This process will help you keep your Monday.com boards backed up and organized. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.